Welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm here with another haul video. I know I have been doing so many hauls because I missed you guys so much. I was stressful, and when I'm stressed I do shopping a little bit, so I know I am trying to change that habit, but it makes me feel happy. So I have accumulated so many things, so I want to share it with you all. And today I'm here with the Sugar Cosmetics haul. It's not one order. I have been placing orders whenever there were offers, and with my points in my account I got some few free products and also discounts. So let's just start. What I've got is this one. I opened the packaging because I've been filming. This is my 6th time filming this video. The outer box, and this is how the palette comes in. Really nice cardboard packaged, and this is the contour, the face palette. It is in shade 01 Subtle Summit. You have all these beautiful shades. This is the bronzer, this is highlighter and blush. I love this one. I got one complimentary in my last purchase a couple of months ago. I've been using it. See, this is the one which I'm using currently. I have the same blush and highlighter. I really love this blush. It's so nice. It's so nice. I really love it. So yes, I got this one, and I'll give it to my sister. And yes, this is the first product I got. I really love this. I'll do a separate review as well. I have all the products laid down here, so I'm just searching for them. And the next one I brought are these liquid lipsticks. They have these are not new, but they had few other colors which I want to try, so I bought a couple of them. One was I received in Fabag, and other 3 I've purchased. They are like in combo. I'm not sure I bought it in combo or individually, but I have got these 4. Today I'm wearing the Velvet Violet, which is on my lips. I really like this. It's so nice. I thought it will not suit me, but it's really good. And I have got shade Poplin Plum and the Plush Pink. I really love it. And the other one is Satin Scarlet. I will swatch 2 shades. I'll not swatch everything because I'm planning to film a video for it. So the 2 shades I really like from this 4. This one is Plush Pink. It smells chemical, I guess. So this is Plush Pink. It's really pretty. The swatch is Poplin Plum. Oh, nice names. The packaging is cute though. It's like frosted kind of packaging. So this is the second shade. Yeah, these are the 2 shades. These 4 lipsticks, and also I've got one liquid lipstick which is matte. I already did a full video with all the lip shades, and this one is in shade Rose Repose. I've added multiple other shades. I have not tried this one. This smells really nice though, like cookies, and the wand is also nice. So this is the shade. It's really nice. I can't wait to try this on, but it's really smooth as well. But I know these lipsticks are like hit or miss. I'm not sure about this, if it's the same formula or new formula. The next thing I have is this sugar lipstick, which is Never Say Dry Creme lipstick. This is in shade Revolutionary Rose. Whatever the name it has, rose, I'm like, I want it, give it to me. So I really like roses, and also rose toner, rose smell products, not the natural rose smell products, and also the shades. I feel it's really nice and suits my skin. So oh, they both look similar, but this is creme. I really love creme lipsticks because they're smooth. So as I said, I picked few in combo. I don't remember because it's like, you know, couple of 1 to 2 months back I got these 2. One is highlighter and one is blush. This is in shade 02 Pinnacle. These are like travel size you know, blushes. I really feel these are like really good. Mini makeup products is always a good thing because you never finish entire makeup, and I think this is really good thing. And then I have got Champagne highlighter. I'm not swatching because I'll do another video. I got this Girl Boss liquid eyeliner, and I don't know how to apply a liquid eyeliner. I'm good in pencil eyeliners, so I'm like, you know, I always have trouble, but this one has been really nice to me, and this is really good, and it's really easy to apply. The felt tip is good. I'm not sure about the I'm not expert in it, but as my application, I felt it's really nice. You can draw a very thin line, you can draw a thick line, however you want, and this is really promising. Oh my god, see, that's what 2 actually. I think I got 1 in free and 1 I purchased, so I've got 2 of these. Kajal pencil. I again have 2 in it. I'm not sure how I ended up getting 2. I think it was an offer or it was in a combo where it has to be a part. So let me swatch that. It's smooth. I'm trying to actually use more kajal these days. So this is the kajal. So yes, I have 2 of those, and then I've got these nail polishes. They're so cute. So this is the one. I've not applied nail polish today, so let me see if I can try this. I'm not sure if it will suit me. It's black, but a black, golden black. So it's good. It's not that bad. So this is the shade. I'm not sure my camera is picking up, but this is the shade I picked up, and the other one is lavender one. So all I have bought, and there was an offer where you buy certain products you get a free new launch. So I've got this one free, which is the all set to go translucent powder. I've heard really good reviews about it, and this is how it is. You have this small cute little sponge, and then the product is here. I heard when you open this, it's really difficult to have the product. It goes all over. So nail polish leaked, so I have to be sure, I have to be careful when I'm opening this one. And I have got a couple of other free gifts. These are like tiny lipsticks. See how tiny these are. I'm so in love with them. They're so tiny. I love tiny lipsticks, and oh my god, tiny things are so cute and adorable. So this is in the shade, this is actually Better Call Salmon. It's a vivid lipstick mini, and oh, so neutral, it's so nice. I would wear it every day, and I have 3 of the same shades. I'll share it with my sister. I'm really happy. It's really good, and these things are very easy to put it in your bag and carry when you're traveling or for a small trip. It's so nice and easy. So yes, this is all I had. So yes, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And thanks if you're my subscriber, and I love you all. Take care.